brother's first flight back in December of 1903. Oh, how air travel has changed. It's on the roll. Let's watch. It's on the way. How about a nice round of applause for Kalitta Air? Okay, we've just got clearance for something that's going to be very special. They're going to China, but they're going by way of a circle around and a flyby here at Thunder Road, Michigan. Just got special clearance to do that. I still think they'll have plenty of fuel to get to China. So get your cameras on this. Landing lights are on. Bank left. Maybe he's going to bring it around and come straight by. This is really cool. Oh, there's a picture. B-17 right underneath Kalitta Air. I hope you got things going for this. What a photo this is. It is rare, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes Kalitta Air. Oh boy! Say a great big thank you to Air Traffic Control here at Willow Run Airport, our air boss, George Klein, and certainly to Pilot Bill Rhodes and First Officer Doug Armstrong on their way to China. That's something you won't see